Okay, in this lab, I want to show you how you can figure out if a document is malicious or not. So, our main tool for this scenario is YARA. We want to use YARA to know about a document, actually a suspicious document. If you type a YARA and hit enter, you'll see some switches here like -T for tag, -I as identifier, -N to negate, -G to print tags, -M print metadata, -S for matching a string, -P use a specified number of threads to scan in a directory, -LA, DX, and so on. Okay, let's go and use YARA to analyze malicious file.doc. Okay, as you see here, we got some error because you must specify the rule file directory. I put YARA rules on my machine in home Remnax desktop YARA rules index.yar. So after that we define our target. Okay, as you can see here, YARA prints lots of strings and lots of warning here, and actually we cannot use these kind of bulk warning and messages in our scenario and analysis. So we should define some options here in a command, and I want to type msg here. Okay, now the result is different from last one. As you can see here, at the first string that contains VBA microcode, it shows us that this document contains VBA macro. After that, we have some magic numbers and characters, and also another matching here, office document VBA as maldoc, and you can see description here that the description is office document with embedded VBA and author name and references on GitHub. And another match is Office Auto Open Macro as maldoc again, and the description is detects a Microsoft Office file that contains the auto open macro function based on hashes and other IOCs that YARA find in malicious file.doc, our target in this scenario. Auto open, that we know already that our target use it to run malicious VBA. Okay, so now YARA find some IOC that matched with our target malicious file.doc. Okay, also we have some other suspicious document in our directory here, like 2.doc, 3.doc, aa.docs, and other one. I want to show you and practice more. Start with 2.doc. Okay, we will use YARA-MSG, the file path of YARA rules, and our targets. Great. So, again, contains VPA microcode, and again, Office document VBA maldoc, Office auto open macro, auto open here, as last test scenario. Okay, going for 3.doc. Again, Yara found interesting matches on our targets 3.doc. So based on Yara report, 3.doc is also a malicious doc or maldoc, as you can see here. And another one is aa.docs. Let's go and analyze aa.docs with Yara. Yara didn't find anything on aa.docs. So remember aa.docs for our further analysis. Now let's clear the screen. Now I want to use Yara to analyze another one, bad file 1.doc. Okay, again, some matches here. VBA microcode, maldoc here, and the auto open micro maldoc, and big numbers 1 and big numbers 3 based on these strings and hashes. So bad file 1.doc or another target is also a malicious document based on YARA report. Okay, so I think let's test another one as last test scenario. And our last target also is a maldoc as previous one.